is lovely. It is one of the best. So let's try out Lavender Tabac from Kashti. And ooh, it is kind of like very sharp, very fresh. I had been waiting for these perfume samples for more than 6 months, and these are from Kashti brand. Kashti is a natural niche, very elegant, very lovely artist from India, Divyam Trivedi. This is the inner side, which I really love the message. Kashti, ocean of fragrances and ocean of scents, sorry. So this is one of the best. I have sniffed so far 4 perfumes. This is going to be the 5th one, which is Lavender Tabac. So it would have lavender and tobacco. I really love tobacco in the natural perfumes that has been used. It is mostly tobacco leaves kind of scent, but in general, when I sniff designer perfumes or other perfume brands like Tom Ford or any other, I really hate tobacco in perfumes. Okay, so if you are like me and if you hate tobacco notes in the perfumes that seems mostly chemical, you must try and sniff a natural tobacco note. That is going to change your mind about tobacco. So let's spray this Lavender Tabac. Lavender is another floral note that I really love. If it is mixed with musk or musk grains, it is lovely. It is one of the best. So let's try out Lavender Tabac from Kashti. And ooh, it is kind of like very sharp, very fresh, light citrus, lavender, gourmandish kind of perfume, which is really strange to me. If you like citrus perfumes, the start is really good. This is a great perfume for summers. I'm not sniffing much lavender over here. I think lavender and musk, or maybe tobacco, that has formed another accord. So when the perfume ingredients, they are mixed very perfectly or blended very well, they created another scent trail or accord that is very difficult to distinguish that this is lavender and this is tobacco and something like that. So you cannot identify them. Oh, so this is really good. This is fresh, this is citrus, this is light floral, it is light musky, it is elevating, it is refreshing, it is kind of like vibrant. If you have a vibrant personality, you love, you know, and walk like this, and you are very social, I think this is the perfume that is going to suit you. Now it has some oud in the background. I'm not sure. I think it is Hindi oud. The use of Hindi oud is going to be my selling point. I really love this. I am sold for these perfumes from Kashti. Although I think this is going to be the 5th one, 5th place in my favorites, but for summers it is really different. I think people are going to ask you, if you wear this in summer, what are you wearing, because it is vibrating, it is tantalizing, it has some vibration. The people are going to feel that vibration. Yes. So this is my 2 cents about this perfumes, these creations. Lavender Tabac from Kashti Perfumes. It is citrus, it is musky, it is sweet, it has some lavender light florals. Florals are not separate, they are merged inside the citrus and the musky note. So it is like kind of like a bubble of its own. Yes, I really love over here the tangerine, the citrus, the orange kind of citrus. It is just like you are sniffing the inside of a fresh orange, the pulp. If you have sniffed the pulp, that is kind of the smell I'm getting over here. Tobacco might be very fresh and green, because that's why I'm not able to sniff the dry tobacco over here. The green tobacco, I think the wet green tobacco might be the note over here. Very lovely summer scent. So if you are going to wear this in a lot of heat, this is going to be a perfect scent for you. Very lovely perfume. So now I'm going to rate it. Scent profile, I'm going to give it 9 out of 10. Very unique scent profile. I haven't sniffed most perfumes that are in this direction. Very well balanced summer scent. If you want it to wear it in the heat, in the sun, this is for you. 9 out of 10 for scent profile, and performance I'm going to give it 8 out of 10. I think it is going to perform well. It has some vibration to it. Thanks Divyam Trivedi for sending me these. I really enjoyed sniffing them and reviewing them. I hope you can check out the link in my description of this video. I'm also going to show the website page over here for the Kashti perfumes. You can buy, you can explore the Kashti perfumes and other oils. I'm going to make more videos maybe tomorrow about other oils and other samples I have got right now. These are the 5 I have reviewed. So I hope to see you soon in another video, and do try out these Kashti perfumes. They are the best if you are a collector. If you love the art in perfumery, if you love natural scents, if you want to connect with the earth and the trees and the what God has created around you, then you have to try these. So till then, I will meet you in another video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share my videos, because most of the people, they don't share or like this video. Make sure to press the like button, and I will meet you in next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.